nasa capsule na. Hatid ng GreenMed Pharma. Red Alingatong Capsule is now FDA approved.
Nahihirapan sa pagbabawas kada umaga? Almoranas at constipation? Solusyonan! Red Alingatong! Red Alingatong! Nakakatulong sa digestive problems at nakakalinis ng colon system. Mabisang gamot sa gouty arthritis, dialysis patient, high blood pressure at diabetes.
The Miracle Roots Red Alingatong nasa capsule na. Hatid ng GreenMed Pharma. Red Alingatong Capsule is now FDA approved.
Red Alingatong Capsule now available in the Subic Bay Freeport area, available in Olongapo, Bataan, and Zambales areas, available nationwide at leading drugstores. Red Alingatong Capsule, gagaling ka dito.
Hi, we are the students of Westmead International School, and you are listening to DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Hey, welcome back, people. Welcome back. Welcome back. And we got a couple of announcements here for all of you. All right, here are the announcements para sa mga nakikinig right now, of course. The College of Subic Montessori Subic Bay is now offering a new program and early intervention for children with special needs. Okay? The Early Intervention and Specialized Education Program empowers children to thrive. Okay? Located in the Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Call or text them now, 0921-846-1923. All right? And for landline, hotline number 252-3555 or 252-3556. Okay? Once again, the College of Subic Montessori, Subic Bay, now offering a new program and early intervention for children with special needs. And the College of Subic Montessori, Subic Bay has its Facebook page. You guys just may look it up for more details or call the numbers that I mentioned, okay? Visit their Facebook page. Just look it up there. College of Subic Montessori. All right? And here's some more announcements para sa mga kalalakihan, sa mga tropa, sa mga father, lolo, tito. All right? Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority, in partnership with Philippine Academy of Family Physicians, Olongapo City Chapter, all right? Philippine College of Occupational Medicine, or PCOM, Olongapo City Medical Society, presents Men's Health and Prostate Cancer, an SBMA Public Health and Safety Group Health and Wellness Caravan. When will this be happening? July 17. Ano ba ngayon? July 15 ngayon, ano? So we got 2 days to go. This coming Wednesday, all right, 2024, 10 a.m. to 12 noon at the Ayala Mall, Harbor Point, second floor, all right, in front of the American Premium Outlet. That's where it's gotta be. With resource speaker, naku, napakagaling na doktor nito. Ang kaibigan natin na si Dr. Aristotle Bernard M. Roque. Ayan, pogi pa. Gaya ni DJ Tommy G. Fellow Philippine Urological Association, Diplomate Philippine Board of Urology. All right? Also, there will be free tests for random blood sugar, cholesterol, and uric acid. Will also be available after the lecture with limited slots on a first-come, first-served basis. First-come, first-served, huh? And interested parties may pre-register through a link. We have provided a link or scan the QR code. Saan nyo makikita yan? If you're gonna be at the Ayala Mall, Harbor Point, merong QR code na naka-post doon, or ask the concierge about it. And you may also check out the SBMA Health and Safety Watch Facebook page. Puntahan nyo po, SBMA Health and Safety Watch. Nakapost doon yung link kung saan pwedeng magpa-register online. Okay? Online registration is ongoing. And other SBMA-related pages, pwede nyo rin pong mahanap yan. Huh? Okay? Just look up the SBMA Facebook pages. It's posted there, most probably, sa mga SBMA-related pages natin. Okay? Pati na rin sa mga pages nung na-mention ko na yung may hatid sa inyo nito, di ba? SBMA pages, Philippine Academy of Family Physicians pages, Olongapo City Medical Society pages, related pages. Yan, okay? And PCOM, Philippine College of Occupational Medicine. All right? So, mark your calendars. SBMA Health and Wellness Caravan presents Men's Health and Prostate Cancer. Okay? You're all invited. Lalo na syempre mga kalalakihan. Register now. Okay? Magparehistro na po para kayo ay mapasama, mapabilang, mapasali doon. Okay? Alright. So, those are the invites for you guys. And right about now, here's a couple more invites for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay? You're all invited to the SM Store BTS. Anong BTS? Back to School. Ayan. Hindi yung Korean K-pop boy band. As the start of school year draws nearer, SM Supermalls offer everything students and parents need to gear up for the new academic year. So gear up for another fun-filled school year with the latest collection of shoes from Sugar Kids and Tough Kids. Available at the SM Store, your everyday store. Ayan. Sa department store yan, ha? That's what the, when we say SM Store, department store, puntahan nyo. Okay? Alright? And also, presenting the SM Appliances Smack Bonanza. All right? It's mid-year jackpot at SM Appliance Center and SM Appliance Central. And Olongapo Downtown din, syempre. Okay? This July with the Smack Bonanza promo. Get big discounts up to 35%, up to 50% off on featured washing machines from LG, TCL, and when you present your SMAC or Prestige Advantage card upon checkout. Okay, so check it out. The SMAC. Huwag niyo kakalimutan yung SMAC niyo. SM Advantage card. Okay? That is. All right. And the next invite is from Our Home. Okay? Our Home, July 15, 2024 presents less 10,000 pesos this July on this beautiful Amelie 3-seater sofa. Welcoming July with a great savings in the in the Our Home SM City Olongapo Central. Nasa third level yan. Less 10,000 pesos on favorite pieces sofas. Okay? Easy payment terms also with up to 6 months of 0% installment with buy now, pay later. Visit SM Home, Our Home rather, at SM City Olongapo Central, third level. Alright? And guess, hulaan nyo. Guess. Guess presents the end of season sale. Get ready to refresh your wardrobe with stunning styles and incredible savings. Enjoy up to 70% off on your favorite Guess items plus additional discounts. It's the perfect time to elevate your style with Guess. Hurry! These exquisite deals are for a limited time only. So visit Guess at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. They got buy 2, get additional 5% off. Buy 3, get additional 10% off. Buy 4, get additional 15% off on all markdown items. July 10 to 31. Parang ano no? Parang the more you buy, the cheaper it gets. Yun. Kaya sabi nung Wais, sige, load them in the truck until they're free. Kasi the more you buy, the cheaper they get. All right, and check out the SM Stores Shop and Share for Education. All right, SM Store Shop and Share for Education back to school kits for Filipino students running from July 1 to 31, 2024. The initiative targets the distribution of school kits to 12,000 grade school pupils across more than 70 public schools nationwide. Wow, shoppers who make a minimum single receipt purchase of 3,000 pesos can sponsor a child's school kit for just 100 pesos. O, sali na kayo ha. Mag-shopping na rin lang kayo. Ayan. Pag namili kayo ng worth 3,000 pesos, you'll get the chance to sponsor a kid for only 100 pesos. Di ba? Napakaliit na bagay para sa pagtulong sa mga bata na magba-back to school in public schools. How awesome is that, huh? This is from July 1 to 31, so hurry, okay? Also, check out the career sale. Okay? Hindi yung career ang sinisale, ha? Up to 50% off on selected items at the SM Store. Ayan. Lalong-lalo na yung mga outfit na pang-career woman, di ba? Ayan. That's what it's all about. Career sale, up to 50% off at the SM Store. So, visit the SM Store now, meaning the at the department store. Okay? And Baby Beanie or Baby Bene summer cake is now available, all right, at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. Okay, so visit Baby Bene, okay, the best-selling summer cake, now in a serving size. There you go. Oh, pasensya na, malabo yung mata ko. Okay? So, visit the SM City Olongapo Central. Nasa ground level lang to, yung cake that sells the Baby Bene. That's the Mary Grace Cafe. There you go. Okay? And also do check out the Every Coffee Every Day at SM City Olongapo Central. Free drink upsize July 12 to August 15 at Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf or CBTL. Your only at SM store, your everyday store. Okay? So yung CBTL po is inside the SM store. Okay? Second level of SM City Olongapo Central. So they're having the Every Coffee Every Day promo. Smack! Advantage cards, free drink upsize. And check out the Great Downtown Sale happening from July 19 this coming weekend to 21. All right, up to 70% off on great finds at SM City Olongapo Downtown, of course. Well, that's why we call it the Great Downtown Sale. You're all invited. It's gonna be this coming weekend. So get ready for the Great Downtown Sale. And National Bookstore presents Panalo Balik Eskwela Mo raffle promo up until July 15, 2024. Get the chance to win more than 100,000 pesos cash in the raffle promo. One raffle entry for every 199 pesos spent on any item. Basta 199 ang cost or ang halaga. You're entitled to one raffle entry. Okay? So visit National Bookstore now and check out that promo. Okay, so back to school promo. All right, and lastly, tickets are now on sale for the Born Pink special screening that will be happening on July 31 at SM Cinemas. Okay, so check out the Born Pink. All right, featuring highlights from the concerts, special events of Blackpink. So this is for all of you Blinks out there. Blink yung tawag sa mga sa mga Born Pink, sa mga Blackpink, I mean, fans. They're the Blinks. Okay, tickets are on sale now. All right, the Born Pink special screening of special highlights from Blackpink from their concerts and special events and special shows at SM Cinema. Okay, so SM Cinemas, that is. Buy your tickets now. And on with our next school requested song. By the way, if you guys, you too, if you want to request for songs, 0910-6909-501. Here's Boys Don't Cry from Plumb 895 Subic Bay Radio.